Can you legally record your own arrest here in Louisiana, or really any state for that matter? Well, it depends on what you're doing in the situation. So let's say you're getting pulled over, you're in your car, the police walks up. In Louisiana here, we're a one-party consent state. You can put record on your phone, you can have it out there. What you can't do is you can't interfere with the stop. You can't resist arrest. You can't cause safety concerns or distract the officer while they're pulling you over, or whether they're in the middle of investigating or potentially arresting you. What you can do is film, though. There's nothing wrong with that. The First Amendment's going to allow that, and there's nothing that the police can do to stop that. The police also can't take and seize your phone just because you're filming it, unless there are one of three things that happens. Whether there's a legitimate arrest, then at that point, they're able to get the phone and all the things that you have in your pockets and at your immediate, if you're in a car, anything at your immediate control, they'll be able to impound the car likely and take all the phone and whatever's in your pockets and bring it as evidence. What they can't do is open that phone unless there's a search warrant after that. Now, to get the phone, they can also get a search warrant, or if there's exigent circumstances, they can take the phone, meaning you're highly likely to have evidence on that phone, and perhaps that evidence could be erased if they don't seize it. Now, again, they do need a search warrant to go in and get that information off the phone, but they can seize it in those really sort of limited circumstances. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to have a resisting arrest charge. You don't want to have the filming too close to the officer where it's impeding the arrest or where he's considering you resisting. You want to make sure that you are very clear with it, it's at the right distance, and it's not interfering with his investigation or the traffic stop or his arrest. So as long as those things are good, you're certainly fine to film it, and we suggest you do and post it so that we can review it, because that's always fun. So if you've been arrested or you have an issue like that, give us a call at the Bradley Law Firm. We'd be happy to help.